Another event, and this time, we are invited to perform live at the 5-star Dusit Thani Hotel Makati for a corporate event. We arrived at 3:30 p.m. at the venue, and my performance is set at 6 p.m. up until 7 p.m. As a one-man band musician, I need to arrive at least 2 hours ahead of time kasi madami talaga akong mga dadalhin na gamit, from musical instruments, guitar, harmonica, keyboard, chimes, beat pad, and looper, at yung damit ko. So I need to make sure na di ako magagahol sa oras pagdating sa venue kasi magsiset up and soundcheck pa. This is a corporate event for our international client, CloudPay. So yung mga guests namin dito are CEOs and executives from Australia and North America, partnered with our fellow Filipinos. So pagdating, diretso na kami ng dressing room to prepare and have coffee. Ito yung process on how to book me. Number 1, email us at musicprime2005@gmail.com. Make sure you add the following: date and time of the event. Kailangan naming malaman yung date ng event nyo for us to check if available pa ba yung date na yan, since I have 4 jobs. And then add the location of your event. We can only provide services within Metro Manila, Bulacan, Pampanga, Cavite, Tagaytay, and Batangas. And then add the title of your event. Is this a wedding event, corporate event, or birthday event? Then, once inquiry details are complete, we will send full proposal. Lahat ng details, list of songs, pati lahat ng mga kaya kong i-provide na songs at yung mga hindi ko kayang gawin, nasa full proposal na po lahat. Then if all set, we can prepare the contract to book the date. Ganyan po dapat yung pag-inquire. We need to know the date and time and the location of your event para makapag-provide kami ng codes.
Amazing performance that happened tonight. So, everyone, I think you owe it to yourself. Let's give yourself a round of applause. Okay. So,
and for this event, I played a 1-hour performance, which includes a total of 12 songs live. Was a very successful event. We would like to thank Miss Gladys for reaching out to our team. Nakakasaya ng puso kasi I have been performing professional live music in the live events industry since 2009 dito sa Metro Manila. At ngayon, 2024 na, tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung mga bookings ko, from huge corporate events to weddings. I'm very thankful and grateful sa mga blessings. I am doing music to earn a living. Lahat tayo naghahanap buhay para mabuhay sa mundo, dahil ang tunay na laban pa rin ng bawat anong career sa mundo ay longevity. Hindi yung instant na kasikatan lang for several months tapos wala na. Dapat tuloy-tuloy na trabaho to save for our retirement. Kasi hindi habang buhay bata tayo, hindi habang buhay may trabaho tayo, at hindi habang buhay magtatrabaho na lang tayo. Watch me perform live every Saturday at Maidas Hotel and Casino, Pasay, Metro Manila.